What's the meaning of ache? Ache. 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 The word ache can be used as a verb or a noun. As a verb, it means to suffer a dull, continuous pain. As a noun, it refers to the pain itself. Aches can be caused by a variety of things, including injury, illness, or stress. They can be mild or severe, and they can last for a short time or a long time. In some cases, aches can be a sign of a serious medical condition. If you are experiencing an ache that is severe or does not go away, it is important to see a doctor. Here are some examples of how the word ache can be used in a sentence. My head aches. I have a stomach ache. My muscles ache from working out. The old man's joints ached from arthritis. The child's heart ached for her sick pet.